Hey, peace everybody. Today we're going to do some research on the Bitconnect case. Not too many people talks about it anymore. I've seen decentralized TV talk about it. I think he was the last person or YouTuber talking about it. But people act like Bitconnect isn't a big case, but it is. And it needs to be followed by the crypto community. It doesn't take a lawyer or a financial advisor to say you're in the crypto realm. You need to watch this case, because we do. So, in saying that, I'm saying I'm not a lawyer or a financial advisor, but I am a researcher. So, in being a researcher and me having the experience I have, I know how to research certain things. So, therefore, right now, I'm going to research the Bitconnect case online. We're not going to be that long, probably about 5 or 10 minutes. But I've already looked at a couple of things. But this is going to be like 2 or 3 parts, because this is an important case. So, first I'd like to show you all that how big it is. Now, as you see right here, this is Bloomberg.com. And they talk about Bitconnect's crypto wonderland hit with investor lawsuit. So, this is a big case. This is not just a big case, but this is a big deal, because the people in the money realm are looking at this Bitconnect cryptocurrency case and looking into cryptocurrencies, period. We knew it couldn't fly past them anyway. So, but it's not a long article. It's a pretty small article about, a couple of situations going on pertaining to ICOs and Bitconnect and what was said, what's been, rumors and things of that nature. So, apologize, my computer is kind of slow. So, but this is not just to show research on Bitconnect. It's also for people to get involved as far as research in Bitconnect. So, if you see right here where it talks about the case of Wiles versus Bitconnect International PLC 18 CV 886, if I'm right, that's the case number. United States District Court, Southern District of Florida. So this is the information you need right here to find this case and follow this case also. Another thing, we're going to put in the description where you can find this right here. This is off of the Security Exchange Commission site. And Ponzi schemes using virtual currencies. And it is a very interesting article. It pretty much talks about Bitcoin being used in Ponzi schemes. When you look at the definition of Ponzi scheme, you see is an investment scam that involves the payment of purported returns to existing investors from funds contributed by new investors. It goes on to say what it says. I'm not going to read this whole thing to adults, but I can. But I said 5 or 10 minutes. This video is going to be about 5 minutes. But I'm going to put in the link so everyone, the SEC put this out. So they put this out for everyone to read. So it's pitiful that these people had to get involved. But, people come crying. Eventually it has to happen faster. You know, now the IRS is involved. You know, now you hear about the SEC saying whether it's a trading cryptocurrency, crypto coins, or currency as they're called, as these people. I don't know who named it currency, but I have a hard time with that. Start calling it currency, man. You know, like I said, I'm not a lawyer, but I understand as much, man. You talking about currency, you talking about money. So, you know, it is what it is. But this is the paper that the SEC put out to people. So everybody needs to look at this. Everybody in the crypto realm needs to look at this. You see this down here? Additional information. So they have additional information for you to read on different subjects. SEC is there for a reason. So we're going to put the description in the link to where you can find this PDF that the SEC put out. You know, and we're going to come with a part 2 to the video with other details pertaining to the SEC and what they've been saying. So thank you. Have a good day.